Okay, so we want to illustrate the one way between groups ANOVA with post-hoc test using our SPSS data file key. So the key is that the dependent variable should be continuously what? Measured. And then the group should be more than 2 groups. Each of them having more than what? 30 cases. So we have to first of all run descriptive analysis to check if the group is having more than 30 cases at each. So just go to analyze, go to your descriptives. We are running this because we don't know the nature of the data. But if you are doing the research from the beginning and you want to, you know that duly you will do compare, you have to make sure that your sample size meets that. Is that not it? So this is just, we are doing this because yes, we are doing this because it is just precondition, and we are using a hypothetical case. So go to descriptives and then let's check on that. The one that we are looking for is what? Firm size. The firm size. Okay. So we have the small enterprises 69. The medium 117, and then 62 of them being what? Large. So we can now compare them. Is that not it? Good. So let's go to the procedure. What is the procedure?
Analyze.
So from the menu, we go to analyze. We go and compare means.
Then you click on one way ANOVA.
Yeah, one way ANOVA. Okay, let's go. What else? So you always right click to display the variable names. You know, I've been saying this thing in all the so you can't use for you.
Your dependent continuous variable.
So our dependent continuous variable.
We usually use our FV6.
Yeah, FV6. If you're familiar with. And put it where?
Dependent variable.
Okay. Then
you click on the independent categorical variable.
Independent categorical. You are qualifying independent what? Categorical. And that is the file size. And place it where?
And the factor.
Okay. Then what else?
Then you click on options button.
Click on options. And then
you select descriptive.
descriptives. Let's select it. Homogeneity of variance test.
Yeah. Brown.
Brown what?
Foresight.
And what?
And
Welch.
Welch.
Yo, that word I cannot pronounce it. Brown what?
Foresight.
Yo, foresight or whatever. Okay.
That's the mean plot.
Mean plot.
Then for missing values, make sure there is a dot in the option mark. Exclude cases analysis.
Right. Analysis. Is it there? It's just it's default.
If not,
Which one?
select on this option 1.
The exclude cases analysis by analysis.
Mine is already ticked.
Yeah, my own too. So it's a default setting, but they are reminding us. It is not there. So you go to where?
Then you go to click on the button mark post part.
Post up.
Where is it?
You have to continue before you go to post up. So post up. Click on what?
To key.
Is it Turkey or to key?
To the take it should be TUR. So now that
Turkey. Okay, so is the TU Turkey or Turkey or whatever? I don't know. Okay, click on that and then
Continue.
let's continue. And then
Then okay.
boom. So our results comes. As usual, let's copy the results onto the web file so that we can do justice to it. So you go to you copy your descriptives. Is that not it? Your descriptives. Okay. So the descriptives, what we are interested in.
the standard
So we have to first of all look at the end. To look at the number of sample elements in each group. So, and then you have to come and also look at for the mean. So which of them has the highest mean?
Small enterprise.
Small.
Yes,
Small. Small, they have the highest mean. It means that their profit after the new machine is bigger than all the rest. Is that not it? Okay. Followed by
Large size enterprise.
large size. So the medium are in trouble. So followed by the green. We are not interested in the total, okay? We are just comparing all of them. So then the medium size. Okay. So here, forget about this. If you lie about something, you use this one to catch you, okay?
Only one.
Those upper bound and all those things, they are there for a particular thing. Okay. So we have concluded that the small enterprises are making more profits with their new machine, followed by the large, and then the medium. Okay. Now we have to come and check if this is significant or not significant. And like the independent sample test, we have some living test or homogeneity test we want to check. Okay. So this one becomes the assumption test of homogeneity of what? Variances. And you see it is based on mean. Have you seen? Based on mean, median. Which one are we interested in? Mean. So we are talking about this one. Now, this assumption we say that it should be what? This, like the other one, living test, should be greater than what?
0.05.
Very good. If it is greater than 0.05, then you will come and use the ANOVA results to check whether it's significant or not what? Significant. You get it? If it is above 0.05 or it is not violated, then we come and use the ANOVA. Check this one. But if it is less than or equal to 0.05, then we come and use the other one to check for the significance. Okay. So when we look at this one, let me put this one first. So if you look at the ANOVA, we cannot, based on this, we cannot use ANOVA. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, because it was significant.
It was significant. It shouldn't be significant. So once we cannot use the ANOVA, the alternative is what? The robust test of equality of mean is using what? The Welch. Remember those two things that we either we use the Welch or the brown what?
Foresight.
Oh yo. I didn't do a. So based on that, if you are using the Welch, we can say that it is what? Is there a significant difference in the profit there?
Yes.
Good. Then since there are three groups, we have to come and check. We have to come and check where the differences lie. Remember, that's where we have to go to the multiple or the post hoc test. Okay, so let's go to the post hoc test and copy it and paste it there. Post hoc test. Oh, this is our post hoc test. Now we are going to compare, it is going to, there are three groups, right? So it's going to compare each other to all the remaining, to one another. Let me put it that way. So look at this formula carefully. This is I, is that not it? Those here are labeled what? I. And those here are labeled at what?
J.
Look at this formula. The main difference is what? I minus what? J. So if you look at this carefully, when we are talking about I, what are we talking about at this level? Small what? Small farm size here. Minus what? Medium.
Size.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then it also can be a small farm size minus what? Large. So the main difference will tell us. And so let's check this one. Small enterprises, which is the I minus this, is giving us positive. What does it tell us?
Okay, this one technically tells us the small size is greater than that of the medium size.
Yeah, it's telling us that their profit is what? Bigger than half of them. Because that's why it is what? Positive. So we can see that, oh, small businesses are making more gains from the machine that they are bought than what? Than the medium. No, we are comparing with the medium. But is it significant? Where do you move to? That's where you move to this. And conclude that it is what? Significant. Because the P value is less than 0.05. Are we gotten that? Then we still use it to compare to the other one. So giving small enterprises and large enterprises, which of them is making more profit?
Small size.
Because this is what? Positive. Is this significant?
Yes.
Okay. So we conclude that small businesses are making more profit than what? The
medium size and the large size.
And the large size. This is where the first significance lies. Now we come to the threshold of comparing the medium size to the other ones as well. So compared to this one, this is the inverse of the same thing. Is that not it? You see that the medium size minus what small now is what? Negative. Is this significant?
Yeah.
Okay. This is significant. Confirming that still the small businesses are doing better than what? The medium. But let's look at this one. Medium minus large. Negative. It means that large are doing better than what? Medium. But is it significant? So, yeah, it means that the performance is the same. Because hypothetically, we see that there is no difference. The same. You get it? So, next one. You come and compare the large size to the small. So, is this positive or negative?
Negative.
So, which one is making more profit?
The small size.
Is this significant?
Yes.
Good. So this is how we evaluate the results. Let's go to the next one. Large minus medium.
Positive.
Positive, but is it significant?
No.
So our significance lies in these instances, okay? So we can conclude that indeed there's significant difference in the profit for the machine that they have bought. But small enterprises are making higher profits, followed by what? Large. The one that we saw that, and then we use this one to just compare them. Is it okay? So one thing you have to take note is the valuation of this assumption. Which is the test of probability of what? Variance. If this were to be 0.56 something or 0.6 something, it's bigger than 0.5, is that not it? So we have reached what? The hand over to substantiate whether there is significant difference or not. Before you go and look at where the significance what lies with the post-war. So we are now looking at the non-parametric alternative to the one way between groups and over. And it's called Kruskal-Wallis test. Is that not it? So let's look at the procedure and go. So we go to here.
So which one are we using?
The same variables that we use for the one way between groups and over. So what is the procedure?
From menu, analyze.
Go to analyze.
Non-parametric.
What?
Go to
Non-parametric.
test.
Okay.
Then K independent sample.
K independent sample.
Yeah.
Okay. go to the legacy dialog and go to K independence answer. Okay. What else?
Collect one your continuous variable.
What is the continuous variable?
We use our usual
FP6 and put it where?
put it at
Target variable.
Test variable.
test variable.
Oh, test variable is okay. Then what else again?
Second, your calculator independent variable and move it through the grouping variable box.
So categorical independent is what?
Farm size.
You put it there. Okay.
Click on the define range button.
So define range. What is the range? So the first one that we computed, we were putting the absolute number, right? But this one say what? Range. Range is the difference between what? Minimum and what? So define range. The minimum is what? 1. The maximum is what? It's 3. Okay, click on continue. Right?
Yeah.
Then
In the test type section, make sure that the
Kuskawale's age.
box is ticked.
Okay. Then okay.
Okay, yeah.
So these are Kuskawale's tests, which is non-parametric to non-parametric alternative to the one way between groups and the okay. So we just go to the ranks. These results very simple. We have only 2 of them, and then we have the. So observe. Look at the mean rank. Which of them is having the highest profit?
Small size enterprise.
Followed by,
Large size enterprise.
and then
Medium.
you see, you are also saying the same language as the other one that we saw. Okay. Then, now, you have to come and check. Is this significant or not? Significant, that's all. So go to asymptotic what? 6, right? So there's a significant difference, right? But this one doesn't tell you where the differences lie. If you compare it with the one way between groups and over that we did, with a post hoc test, it will show you where the differences lie. But this one it doesn't. That's the limitation. So this is our result for the Kuskawale's. Thank you.